Have you ever had any Japanese snacks? Welcome to another episode of Kern-N-Zane. On this episode, we're going to try some Japanese snacks.
We're going to Japan Village, debuted inside one of Industry City's building in Brooklyn. But as we always say, we're not going by ourselves. You guys are coming along with us. So, let's go. Hi, so I met Shatori and she's been very helpful in finding these Japanese snacks. Is there anybody you'd like to shout out?
I like to shout out my mother, my dad, and my siblings.
Do you have any social media?
Tutorial Bridge.
What's that on Instagram?
Instagram and Facebook.
Definitely follow her on all her social media. The first one we're trying is the rice cracker with seaweed. That's what it looks like, guys. Okay.
There's a package in this. This is do not eat. I like it. If you like the kale chips, you'll like this.
Not my favorite.
Alright, let's try the next one.
Pocky.
Pocky.
It's very popular in Japan.
It's sticks with chocolate on them.
Zena, you could try one of that.
It tastes good. I
Bite
give it like a 6.
Bite it. Other way. The chocolate side. There you go.
Oh, this is really good. It's almost like crackers covered with chocolate.
Yeah.
This one is very, very good. This is my favorite so far. Do you like that one, Zena?
This is the shrimp chips that are baked. Let's try them out.
Baked
This
shrimp
one-
chips.
Not KPO food.
Ooh. It has a little kick. And you can taste the shrimp flavor.
It's a little bit spicy
Yeah.
from the wasabi.
It has wasabi in it. That's
So it's called Wheat Puff Snack Wasabi.
That's the
Oh, wait.
the
Oh, wait.
wasabi hit me, right?
I don't like it no more.
You can't hit my wasabi. Like chip like?
This one is not really Cajun food.
I like it.
I love this one. You had the kick from the ginger and the sweetness from the frosting, the
Yep.
outside. Beautiful.
Tuna package.
So it's like rice crackers.
It's like rice crackers. It should melt in your mouth.
No, like rice cakes.
Whoa, look at your face.
The saltiness right here just kicked me off.
Actually, it's not that bad.
I don't like it.
Not grilled on a corn. Like corn chips, I guess. It has a little chili flavor. Not that,
It's
you know, not that really hot, but
I like this one.
let's Zena try it. We can try it.
It's not hot.
Here.
She may not like it, but
This one Zena loves.
uh-oh. Spicy girl.
Look at her face. This is what it looks like, guys. Oh, it's like in a jelly. You can see the. Can you guys see it? It's a jelly. Okay.
Oh. Oh yeah, it is jelly.
For the consistency.
Whoa. Oh,
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get some jelly and show you guys.
Oh no.
So
Oh no.
this is
Honey.
how the jelly looks. Mm.
Oh my god, no.
Not KJ.
Not a good one to take.
Oh, this is
No good?
Oh my god.
Alright, we got the last one.
Oh my god.
Alright, this is like a peach.
I feel like the jelly's gonna be the same.
Woo! This one is a no-go.
What?
Hey, mommy.
Whoa.
Why does the jelly taste like that?
Not one of the best.
Woo.
I think it's more of a
This
quieter
is-
taste.
A 2.5.
2.5.
I don't like the jelly.
You okay, mama?
The fruits are good, but the jelly, something is not right. Oh my god. Okay, let me compose myself. That is an acquired taste, and I can't get used to it. So for me, that's a no-go.
So, we tried random Japanese snacks at the Japanese market.
/ candy.
We like the chocolate, yes. Some of the
crackers are
some
really
of the crackers
good.
are good.
Like
Other things are
these-
some acquired taste.
These are pretty
But
good.
guys, if you've tried any Japanese snack, let us know.
And if you already haven't, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and hit notifications.
Wow.
Whoa!
Good job, Cage. You heard Cage. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.